Feeling much better now.
Mission Control, this is ISS. Please respond. We're waiting for instructions.
They're not coming. We need to accept that.
If we stay here, we're just ghosts.
Or we risk it all for a world that might not even be there.
Tell me, where do we go?
Make sure we've got everything.
Nothing left to hold on to.
If we're doing this, we follow protocol. We make it count. Are you ready? We are preparing for undocking. All systems look good on our end.
Undocking complete.
The way you used to be, down in the basement. I don't wanna die alone up here. I don't wanna fly away without you.
There must be survivors, Ray. People who found shelter.
Tell lies. The stars just aren't enough for us anymore.